bumbo.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Oh, you mean people them don't know say Yaadman Etan? I have a question. In this age of information and technology, have you ever Googled yourself? Have you ever just thought, what if I type in my name onto Google? What would I find? So I thought to myself, I gotta do that. So I decided to just go on my phone, open up good old Safari and type in Yaadman. Wow, I'm a Google search result. Alright, type in Yaadman Etan. Boom, this is some information here. See my birthday. Yeah, people them. Scroll down, you see my Facebook. Wow, I'm up on one page name, famous. Okay, alright, my Instagram, my Twitter. This brother did a video about what? Yaadman Etan stole my girlfriend. What? But wait, meet Ethan Camberreed of Yaadman Etan in Greater Atlanta. Voyage Atlanta? This is a magazine! Yo! People them, we made it. Voyage Atlanta actually does a lot of features on certain creatives and people with whatever passions or hobbies or whatever that drives them in Atlanta. So as you know, or for the new subscribers as you may not know, I recently moved from Atlanta and now I'm currently living in Florida, right? But before I moved from Atlanta, I had a very special interview with Voyage Atlanta. And look what came in the mail. And just remembered as I was looking at my phone, Googling myself. Meet Ethan Camberreed of Yaadman Etan. To see a physical printout of this interview and seeing myself like this is actually kind of surreal for me because I'm a person that believes that once you fight for your dreams will fight for you. Ignore the bad mind, ignore the jealousy, ignore the noise. I say, yo, fight for your dreams, manifest your dreams. Like, them dream there? Like you're dead asleep, you're dreaming that you're at the toilet, right? And then as you stand there, gents, you know me I talk about, right? And you just let go. In a reality, your dreams are being manifested because you wake up all warm and wet. You know me I talk about. Them type of dream there. Well, not really those type of dreams. But make your dreams manifest in a reality. Alright? And right now, seeing this manifestation in reality is kind of surreal for me. I'm going to put the link in the description for the Voyage Atlanta interview so you can read all of it. Obviously, I'm not going to read all of it right now because it's a lot to read. And I'm gonna talk about. I forget. I can just put this interview like on the screen right here. So like boom, right? This is so you can read along with me. And as I said, if you want to read the whole thing, just click the link in the description for the Voyage Atlanta interview with Yaadman. All right. So see it here. Today, we'd like to introduce you to Ethan Campbell. Read. Ethan, can you briefly walk us through your story? How you started and how you got to where you are today? So boom, I said, I love and appreciation and my addiction for social media began in grade 10, Fort Farm in Jamaica, while I attended Arden High School in Kingston, Jamaica. Big up, Starden High School, Beer Stars come out of the school there. During my time at high school, I felt as if I were below average, with the self-esteem of a pubescent child trying to find validation in the approval of others. Damn! Wow, I actually said this. I silently envied my peers for their charisma and confidence. At the time, I was incredibly introverted and barely had the ability to even answer a question in front of a class of my fellow schoolmates. However, upon joining a comedy group that was created by one of my closest friends, I was beginning the personality transformation I desperately yearned for. My friends and I were inspired by a new trend at the time. A wave of comedy through social media began to impact Jamaica. We created memes about Jamaican governance. We're creating memes before memes were even a thing. We were just making jokes about our Jamaican lifestyle, about school, everything. We garnered the attention and the laughs of our high school for a couple of years, but things suddenly changed when we graduated. Physical separation became a problem. Like a long distance relationship, certain things just don't always work out. And we also lack the tools and a decent camera to even continue writing.
You know what I'm saying?
Why? To maintain the wave and to make things worse, I migrated to the United States in 2014. In later years, I realized that my high school, Arden High School, eventually started being dubbed Starden for its uncanny ability to produce stars in Jamaican media, from the likes of reggae and dancehall artists Alkaline, Coffee, big up Coffee for your Grammy win, by the way, to YouTuber Young Don the Sauce God. I just wanted to put my name amongst the stars to represent the place where I found my confidence. Jeez. Voyage goes on to say, alright, they want to dig a little deeper into my story. So the next question I'm asking me, has it been an easy path overall? And if not, what were the challenges you've had to overcome? My journey has been as smooth as Jamaican roads. If you have never experienced Jamaican roads, Google it. Then check the images with the potholes. Alright? In America, you may have potholes in your roads. But in Jamaica, we have roads
in our potholes, alright?
Having a platform on social media, I had to learn how to block the noise, alright? I just had to learn how to just tell people, yo, leave me alone. What I do does not affect you. Even though some of them watching my videos in secret, probably dropping like a dislike on this video. Don't dislike this video. Go like this video. Comment your feelings, alright? And share this video. This may not be a YouTube play button, but having this in my hand right now means a lot to me because this is a manifestation of the work that I've put in. I had to sacrifice so much to accomplish what I already have. Last year, was it last year? I quit a job on camera to pursue YouTube full time. I lost friends who did not support my goals, and I even sacrificed relationships. You think I'm crazy? As of right now, I am happy to know that I am well on my way and I already am living in my dream. To quote one of my favorite reggae artists, Chronix, from his song Christina. Hold on. Let me do this properly. I need to do this right.
Oh, Christina, I still believe in me and I'm a dreamer.
Throughout this entire journey, I learned something simple. That a dream is only a dream unless it is real. Oh gosh. I'm not going to read all of this on camera for you guys. As I say, if you want to read this article, you can click the link down in the description below. Go read this, support Voyage Atlanta, and I must say thank you, Voyage Atlanta, for giving me this opportunity to, talk about my story and, my business and who I am. I'm just, as I say, this, it's so surreal, seeing myself like this. People actually reached out to me and cared about my story to publish it. You know me? So yeah, it's a good look. Anyways, people, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for the support that you've given me so far. Yo, we are well on the way to 40,000 subscribers. Yo, make we do it. Make it happen. Alright, make it happen. We must do this. Alright, people them, big up on the damn self. We're out. Moment of truth, people. Oh my goodness gracious.